Hi, I'm Tina Duncan. I am the camp manager for the Rocky Fire Base. We make sure that when the firefighters come on base that they have accommodations and that their meals are prepared for them and ready, lunches and suppers and breakfasts. And the quality of the food is very important as well, and their portions. We monitor all of that. We monitor all of the cleaning of the facilities and maintenance, and we have a whole range of different things that we do. We do a lot of paperwork. Also, I do a safety briefing whenever someone comes on base, and I take them through the base and I show them where all the safety equipment is. I let them know the phone numbers, and that's pretty much what I do. So I have a great relationship with the fire crews. I play a really huge part in, making them comfortable in the camp. And it's really important, I find, to have that relationship with them. I love my job. I love being a camp boss. I have a lot of pride in my job as well.